Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with a really quick hair update. Obviously, I'm looking super crazy right now. I have officially had my starter locks in for 3 weeks now, and today I'm going to be doing my first wash. I will not be retwisting, but I am going to be just doing my first wash. I've been dreading this day. Like, I have this vision of me washing my hair and then like all of my twists coming undone, but my hair is dirty, my scalp has been itching, and it is time to shampoo it. This is my hair right now. This is how my twists are looking. As far as like my day-to-day maintenance and everything and how my hair is holding up, I haven't had too many issues with any of my twists coming undone. We'll see how they hold up after this first wash. These pieces in the front where my heat damage is, my ends have definitely untwisted a bit, but the root is still pretty secure. I also have this weird one on the side of my head that's kind of, I don't know what it's doing. And yeah, other than that, the twists are staying put. So to wash my hair today, I'm going to be using this Kikabee detox cleanser. If you guys watched my prepping my hair video, I did a whole review on this line. I really like the way this shampoo or this cleanser worked on my hair. I like the way it made my scalp feel, so I am going to be using that. Because I do wear edge control, usually when I get in the shower, I'll put a bonnet on and then I'll leave like this portion of my hair out, and when I'm in the shower, I'll just let water hit that part to get rid of any like buildup or anything. But this is going to be like my first like wash. As far as my day-to-day maintenance, I really don't do much to my hair. For the most part, you guys know I work from home, so for the most part, like Monday through Friday, I just kind of let it be. I bought this new spray bottle. It's more of a mister instead of like the ones that squirt. So I bought this, and in here I mix regular water. I also purchased some distilled rose water from Amazon. So I have regular water, the rose water mixed in that, and then I also mixed in some oil. So I have my black Jamaican castor oil mixed in it. And then I have this growth serum from Kikabee as well. And normally what I do in the morning, I take my bonnet off, shake my hair, mist it with that little hydrating concoction, and I'll either put my hair in a ponytail, I'll put it in a little top knot, or sometimes I'll just kind of let them be down and be free. And then that's pretty much it, like during the week. And then on the weekends, like if I do anything, if I go out the house, I'll wear a protective style. So you guys have seen me do like the headband wig, or I'll do like a ponytail or bun with added hair. And that's what I've been doing for my hair these past 3 weeks. I'll be doing my first retwist 3 weeks from now, so that'll be like the 6-week mark. So I'm gonna be doing my first retwist then. I have kind of retwisted a few pieces like on my edges. Mainly, I'll insert a picture. Like yesterday I wore like a bun, and then I had like these pieces as a bang. So sometimes like I'll retwist them and clip them so that they stay down. I can manipulate them to lay a certain way. Like if I wanted my bang to fall this way, I'll retwist a couple of pieces right here on the edges and clip it down for, you know, 10-15 minutes so that it'll set in the direction that I want to. But other than that, like I haven't really done any real retwisting with like any products or anything like that. As you guys can see from my hairline, like it doesn't look retwisted at all. Another product that I picked up with was this aloe vera gel. I'm debating on if I'm going to be using this for my first retwist. You guys know I also have the lock gel from Napstar that I showed you guys in my install video. Let me know down in the comment section if you prefer to retwist with or without products, and if you do choose to retwist with products, let me know some of your favorite products to use. I'm still, you know, testing things out, trying to figure out what I want to do for my hair in the long run, but I did pick up this as a potential to see how it works. Basically, I think that's it, y'all. So I'm going to set up my camera in the bathroom and, you know, wash my hair real quick, show you guys how it looks afterwards. I'm probably just going to wash it and then mist it with my hydrating concoction, let it air dry, and that will be it. If I don't get back on camera, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel. And yeah, let's get to this shampoo and washing clip. You guys, so I'm not really doing anything much differently than how I would shampoo my loose natural hair. I'm basically just running the water through it, making sure that all of my locks are falling in the same direction, and then I went in with the shampoo slash cleanser twice on my hair, and then I rinsed it out, and that was it. I definitely have to get used to this process. I don't know if it's just because it's a new thing to me, but my scalp didn't feel as clean as I'm used to it feeling after I wash my hair. So I'm gonna see how this next week pans out, and if I feel like I need to wash it again within the next week or so, I will do that. But yeah, I feel like I also just have to get used to this process because it's just different than what I'm used to with my hair. In general, I absolutely love washing locks versus loose hair. Obviously, my hair is still like in the baby stages, but it was just so nice not to have to deal with like any hair shedding in the sink, or I didn't have to deal with detangling and blow drying afterwards. Like this process was just like straight to the point, and I loved every bit of that aspect. And here's how my hair looks after it's been washed. It definitely shrunk a lot. So definitely have to start getting used to that factor. My back still hangs a little bit, but once it was fully dry, like it had definitely shrank a lot. I forgot to mention in the first half of this video, I now have 81 locks. After I posted my install video, it was a twist in the back that I had to split into two, so I now have 81 locks. And then in regards to the extra pieces of hair that I fed in some of my heat damaged areas, most of those pieces of hair slid out. I do have like a few, like that one right there, that's still hanging on. I decided I'm just gonna let them be. If they slide out, they slide out. If they stay, they stay, but I'm not gonna do any additional manipulation to them. So we'll see how those do in the long run. But that is it for my first lock update. It's been 3 weeks so far. I'm loving the process. I don't have anything bad to say. I have a lot more lock related videos coming up soon. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.